Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Autumn here already. I will show you how we're canning tomatoes. Easy, very easy way. And let me show you how my garden is looking like in the autumn. Also the chickens. See, slowly, slowly. Still, they were so generous. So generous to us. And they became 4 meters tall. Look. I hope they will not freeze soon. Still. At night I'm closing the doors. It is becoming very, very cold. Look how beautiful. Huge. And there. So I'm sad. It's autumn and the season is about to finish. My favorite tomato season. Look how we decided to take care of our raspberries. There was so much weed, so much weed. This is my lazy solution. Let's see if we will have enough raspberries in the spring. We have now a little bit, let's see. They're still too young, but I hope my lazy solution will give good results. See? These are still very young plants. Hello, ladies. See, they always welcoming because they always think we eat something. This winter, I will take them and place them in the greenhouse. Very useful because they will feed the ground. See, I mixed silkies. See this beautiful boy. You see this melody, look how beautiful they are. These silkies, an ordinary lemon brown, and some village chickens that I don't know their names. This is their house there. This is selfie with Sultana. She's already, I think, 4 years old. Very good. She's very good mother. Sultana, wait. I put some salt, some sugar. I like it very chilly, so I will add from this poisonous chilies. I like it very spicy. Just a little bit. Now I will be adding also some oil. I added salt, sugar, oil to taste, and then I will close them in mason jars. Let it cook a bit longer with the chilies. I got some jalapenos. The other side, I don't know what types of chilies they are. You can do any. Depends, you add it to taste. Just my tomatoes are a little bit too, not very sweet. You can add any herbs that you like. I just put some celery. So see now, while very hot, I will pour into my mason jars. While it's very hot, because then it sterilizes very well. I may cook it or not later, the jars for sterilization. If I'm very fast and I manage while hot to close, turn upside down and cover with a blanket, then it will be really sealed very well. But maybe I cook them